Hello class, my name is Erin Bullock and I will be showing you the features and how to use the African American History database today. The African American History database is a info-based digital reference that allows you to examine more than 500 years of the African American culture, history, and experience. Users can use resources ranging from video, image slideshows, articles, and timeline references to easily navigate through the topic center. A convenient A to Z topic list has topics ranging from slave trade, World War I and II, civil rights era, and etc. Advanced searching allows users to tailor searches to meet their specific research needs. This database easily allows users to set preferences for default language, citation format, and number of search results. The limitations of this database include sole accessibility to only college faculty and students. Only select universities allow use of this database, so that means the general public isn't allowed access. Another limitation of this database is that it only focuses on the African American experience. So if you want to research other topics outside of this realm, you cannot, or you're not allowed. Now on this screen, this is how the database main page should look on your screen. Now let's get into browsing this database. First, you must access the school's website, school's library website, by typing it in the top browser by doing such. And it is located at www.pgcc.edu/library/library.aspx. Once you do that, you are going to hit enter. And this is going to take you to the school's library main page. And on the school library main page, there should be a research database button located in the left of your screen right here. And you are going to click that research database button. And this is going to take you to the research database. And all of the research databases are listed by subject. So you are going to find history, which is between the general database, and humanities, literacy, and philosophy. You are going to click history. That is going to take you to the history column. And in the history column, the first database in that column should be an African American History Online icon. You are going to click this, located right here. Now, if you are already logged into your school account with your username and password, it is automatically going to take you to the African American History database. If you are not, it is going to take you to a login screen that is going to prompt you to enter your university username and your university password. Since I am already logged in, it took me straight to the African American History Online database, where there are subtopics at the top for home, topic centers such as Africana colonization and the slave trade, compromise and conflict over slavery, the Civil War and Reconstruction, segregation, migration, and the beginnings of protests, Great Depression and the New Deal, World War II and the start of desegregation, civil rights protests and progress, expansion of opportunities. There are resources such as slideshow overview, videos, timelines, and topics ranging from A to Z. And then also there is a column for curriculum tools for both students and both educators and teachers. Also, there is a sources icon. Now, let's take a look at how to search a topic on this database. Located in the right top corner, there is an advanced search button. We are going to click that. and it is going to take us to an advanced search homepage screen. We are going to enter a keyword or phrase into this box. So I'm going to type in Martin Luther King Jr. as such. And it is going to prompt me to pick a record type. I can make it accessible to all record types, or I can do only articles, only primary searches, only images, only videos, and only news. But I'm going to pick only articles. That should prompt you to okay, and then you are going to click the search button. And once you click the search button, all of the articles related to the keyword Martin Luther King should pop up. Now, say if you don't want to look at the 507 articles of related to Martin Luther King anymore, you can click the primary sources related to Martin Luther King, images related to Martin Luther King, videos related to Martin Luther King, and news related to Martin Luther King. You do not have to go back. They are located right next to the article icon. Now, say you want to narrow your results down further from just articles to, say, a biography or a journal article. That is located right in the right center of the screen underneath the Save Search button. It should be bold and it should say Narrow Results. Now, I am going to click the biography button. So all things related to Martin Luther King Jr. biography should pop up. And this is going to prompt the screen to take you to all articles that are biography articles related to Martin Luther King Jr. And as you can see, there are 350 articles. Now, a cool feature about this database is that you can save your searches as well as your articles for future use. So say you're busy and you want to come back and look at an article that you already were looking at, or you just want to save it for future use and you want to come back and look at it, you can save it. So in order to do that, you are going to go to the Save Search button that is located in the right top corner under Advanced Search, History Search. It'll say Save Search. So you're going to click the Save Search icon. And in order to save your search, you must create an account. So you will click the Create Account button. At the top, it is going to ask you if you're account administrator, student, teacher, librarian, patron, or other. I am a student, so it is already clicked. So you are going to come up with a username. Type that in the search bar. Use your email address to get notifications or in case you forget your password. Create a password for the account. And then there is a button at the bottom that says please send me content update alerts. Now you can click that or prompt the screen to send you update alerts if you want. If not, then don't click it. And when you are done with that, you are going to create your account and it should prompt you to successfully log in. Now, once we are successfully logged in, we are going to be able to save our article to a new folder or a already previous folder once that pops up on the screen. Now, once you have created your online account, it is going to prompt you to a Save Search folder where you can create a new folder or save it to a Save Search already pre-named folder. I am going to create a new name for a folder. Just going to name it Civil Rights. And then I'm going to click Save to Folder. And voila, it's saved to folder. Now, if you want to access that, you will go to Folder, which is located at the very top of the screen in the right corner where it says Folder. You're going to click that, and you are going to click Save Searches, which is located right next to the Save Records. Click Save Searches, and voila, it is right there under Martin Luther King, your Save Searches under the Civil Rights folder. Now, to save articles, images, or videos, or any resources that you have used, you're going to click on, let's click on this article right here, and we are going to click this save button that is located right underneath Martin Luther King Jr. Save, and we are going to create another folder called Civil Rights, or you can save it to an unassigned folder that is already like pre-named for you. So we're going to click Save to Folder and go back to that folder icon that we just went to save our search. At the very top right of the screen, click Folder, and again, there is that Martin Luther King Jr. article in our Civil Rights folder right there. So let's go back to that article. Now, once we go back to that article, the cool thing about this database is that it allows you to print the article, not only print the article, but you can share it to other mediums on the internet, download the article, you can cite the article, and also there is a feature to read aloud. And you can click on the read aloud, and that will play the article right there as such. And if you want to, and when you are all done, you will sign out of your account for later use, and happy browsing.